and
You'd
made
go
some
out
good
in a
money.
boat too, wouldn't you?
Go out in boats, yep. We were 10, 11, 12 years old.
It's a fun hobby, or you know, people obviously do it for work too. But
Yeah, I tried catching lobster one time on a dive. I felt terrible
Oh.
because you have to like grab them and they're trying to like swim away. And it's
Let me
really
go, let me go.
awful.
That's a little morbid.
it's hard to put them in the pots too and like watch them say goodbye.
Anyway, sentimental feelings about crustaceans. Okay.
Don't let me start crying.
Okay. How about that weather, huh? Speaking of the coast and what lives in it, we have a whole lot of water falling, and we have rough seas out there, storm warnings still in effect, flood watches, warnings, advisories. I'm going to show them all to you here in just a second. Seaside, familiar theme. I mean, this is exactly what it looked like last night, except last night the wind was quite a bit stronger. The high wind warning will expire tonight. 53 right now in Seaside. Temperatures well above normal. That flood watch, it continues up and down the Oregon coast all the way into Washington. One difference here from yesterday is the flood watch does not include the rest of the Willamette Valley, really south of Portland. Some of our communities right around Tualatin, Sherwood still included, but you get down to Salem, Corvallis, not any longer. You will see some rain, but not the kind of rain that warrants a flood watch as we've seen so far. In portions of the Coast Range all the way up to Willapa Hills, we've seen anywhere from 5 to 6.5 inches of rain in the last day and a half. So we're going to show you more of those totals here in just a second. Let's focus a little bit closer on some of those areas where we actually do have flood warnings. That would be Grays River. That continues until Sunday morning. So if you're in this area, again, be aware there is a flood warning for Grays River there in southwest Washington. Also, coastal flood advisory. It includes most of the coastline for us. The high tides combined with some of our local river flooding, the two combined could, of course, lead to some localized street flooding as well. We've already seen that today in places like Seaside. Flood warning also in effect for Wilson River until Saturday midday, just afternoon. Also, Nehalem River flood warning in effect until 2 o'clock in the afternoon Saturday. That's near Clatsop and Tillamook counties. So let's look at the big picture here. All right, so plenty of turbulent water out there with gale warnings, watches, and high wind warning in effect still until 8 o'clock tonight, but winds are not nearly as strong as what we had earlier today or even yesterday. I want to take you up to the mountains. Consistently 38 degrees right there at 5,000 feet. We need this atmospheric river to move on out before we can draw in some colder air from the north. So it's going to take at least until tomorrow night before we see a combination of snow falling plus snow levels coming down to about 4,500 feet. But again, that's tomorrow night. Rain totals since midnight now. We are looking at almost 3 inches fully at Astoria. The record for the day is 3.25 inches, so we'll see if we get close there. Kelso now picking up over an inch, almost an inch and 2/10. Vancouver 4/10 and a quarter for you. Portland, temperatures, yeah, well above normal in the mid to upper 50s. Today we had a high of 59, which puts us at a record high since 2014. Radar right now showing us, yep, most of that rain is just hanging on to the northwest corner of Oregon and western Washington. Again, temperatures a little too warm to be seeing any snow over our mountain passes. That's something we will have to focus on, though, tomorrow night and again on Sunday. We can see pockets of heavier rain moving through right around Vancouver between 205 and I-5, also into Battleground and Woodland. Otherwise, we'll continue to see some of the heaviest showers right there at the coast and the Coast Range especially. Still plenty of moisture hanging around, but we do have some clearing in the future. Perhaps 3 days in a row where we could, in the 7-day forecast, get a break from the rain. As we take a peek at those early morning hours, expect heavier bands of rain to come through. So do whatever you need to do to prepare for that. Again, these areas north of Salem, right around Portland and up through southwest Washington, still under a flood watch through Sunday morning. More of that heavy rain continuing through midday tomorrow. And colder air starting to filter in by tomorrow night through Sunday morning. So looking for snow on those mountain passes right around Mount Hood, all the way down to Bachelor and also over to Central Oregon early Sunday morning into Sunday evening. We'll watch that big system move on through. And as we get to late Sunday night and Monday and Tuesday, we'll get some clearing, a couple days in a row of some pretty decent weather and more typical temperatures. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, by the way, officially is winter at 8:19 p.m. winter solstice, and then after that, guess what happens? Daylight gets longer, little by little after that. Christmas Day right now is looking dry.
That's
Good.
good. Yeah. And I think we have the weather app too, because that's really important this time of year to download, because I know, Natasha, there's a lot of changes happening.
Big time, yeah. If you're heading up to the mountains especially, I know that's going to be a big draw after all the snow that we got. Monday and Tuesday are looking like good travel days.
And that's important. Yeah. Thanks, Natasha.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.